Come and look at this. Look at that fish there, it's eating. Alright. Yeah, look, it's eating that stuff there. What's happening? Welcome to a new video. We're on a boat at the south end of Las Playas in Acapulco. There's Las Playas there. We're on a glass bottom boat on the way to Isla Roqueta, an island. It's over there somewhere. And there's the glass bottom. You can see fish eating. Strange looking fish. There's on a camera, video. So are we going now? No, we're still doing stuff. We are going over to the island, so we'll show you what this boat ride's like. It's 100 pesos each return, and they return every 30 minutes. The island doesn't look far away, so it shouldn't take too long to get there. Through that gap there around this lighthouse. The lighthouse is up there, you might have seen that on a previous video. And there's people there on a banana boat, right there. You've been on one of them before, haven't you? Banana boat?
Yeah, at least once. That I really remember well. I think it was
one time. And we're flying.
When I almost lost my bikini when I fell into the water.
And there's people there on a canoe. Yes, this is the video you'll have seen if you watched the previous videos, the liveliest beach in Acapulco. Because there's music, as you can hear, there's people buying and selling stuff, there's boats, there's guys paddling canoes around selling souvenirs, shops, everything you can think of, beer, drinks, tacos. Beautiful beach, beautiful water. Let's have a look off the edge. Definitely need my sunglasses on. What do you think of this bay? Most dangerous bay in the world, maybe. But there's the lighthouse. This used to be a water park, as you can see there, and a museum. You can see the slides from the old water park there. One of the guys in the comments told me. Good to know. Magical Mundo, something. Marioso maybe, I don't know. Look at them rocks over there in the distance. And we're going. Goodbye port, we'll be back soon. The guy said the return's every 30 minutes, which is cool. We paid for return. That's a shame. I like water parks. Abandoned Mexican water park. Floating stuff there. And that goes out to the Pacific Ocean over there. All the way over to like New Zealand and that. New Zealand, Japan, depends which way you go. Imagine having that as your house. Oh, right there. Nice palm trees, nice view of this island. There's another little boat going near the lighthouse. It's a really nice place. If you've not been to Acapulco, I would recommend it. People say it's dangerous, but I don't think it is.
Vamos a seguir más adelante, vamos a pasar a ver la Virgen que tenemos en el fondo del mar.
Look at these rocks. See, I thought we were just getting on a transport boat, but it seems like this is a tour, because he keeps telling them stuff. I don't fully understand it. But he's talking about like famous people who used to live here and things like that. I can only get most of the words. It's kind of muffled, poor sound system and that. But yeah, he's taking us to like different parts. I really just wanted to get over there to that beach and that, but I'll take a tour. Take a what I thought was a transport turns into a tour, so I guess it's a free tour if you think about it. But look at these rocks. There's also a shrine on there to probably a religious shrine.
Ahorita que entremos a ver la Virgen, les voy a pedir de favor que me recuerden
Strange.
avisar todos los días. Recuerden que estamos en el mar.
I wasn't listening.
El viento y el oleaje.
I think he probably said that one over there is not dangerous and this one is, that's why he's not letting people touch it.
Como verán, tienes que estar entrando y saliendo, entrando y saliendo.
Would you pick up a sea
Ya
urchin?
que está muy cerca de las rocas, tal vez no lo alcanzan a montar ahí.
He's throwing them
Por lo
back.
cual eso se convirtió en un
Cool.
santuario marino. Se hizo la tradición de que antes de entrar a ver a Virgen, todas las mujercitas en el
Oh,
puerto
he's either throwing them back or chopping it in half. I haven't decided what yet.
Así que las mujercitas.
Ahí lo tenemos perfectamente bien. Tercer cristal. Ahí está en medio.
Se están viendo bien adelante. Hay un pez que tiene 6 aletas color azul, se llama marinero. Pez grande, gordo, feo, que se encuentra acá siempre en la parte de abajo. Es el pez tajo, pez globo. Ustedes buscan, pero no me lo confundan con el muchacho el bus.
He's doing crumble in the sea urchin so the fish eat it. He can hold his breath for a very long time, this guy.
Cuando es el muchacho viene bueno, aguanta un minuto. Cuando viene crudo, aguanta 2. Cuando viene pedo, hay que bajar por él. Recuerden, todos los peces rayaditos verde limón se llaman cebras. Hay unos que tienen un punto amarillo en la cola, luciérnagas. Rayaditos amarillos con café se llaman canarios. Hay unos peces plateaditos. Hay unos peces dorados con negros, se llaman mariposas. Hay uno que tiene una colita anaranjada, es un pez ángel. Este tipo de deportes lo pueden practicar ustedes mismos aquí en la playa de La Roqueta. Aquí en la playa de La Roqueta tenemos el servicio del snorkel, el cual es una hora de buceo. Les ponen su visor, chalecos salvavidas, su snorkel. Una hora completa para que ustedes disfruten de la fauna marina, peces de colores, estrellas de mar. Una hora completa para que bajen a liberar. No es necesario que sepan nadar, todos llevan chalecos salvavidas, todo un instructor con ustedes. Ahí lo tenemos, miren, ahí anda el muchacho. Recuerden, pueden practicar este servicio, el snorkel.
So he was cutting up the sea urchin to feed it to the fish. Oh, that fish.
Big one.
Sí lo vieron bien todos, ¿verdad?
Mira.
Bien, aquí está el muchacho en la parte de atrás. Yo creo que este merece un fuerte aplauso de parte de todos ustedes, ¿verdad?
Fish is swimming fast.
Bien, y empezando la exhibición del muchacho el buzo, damos casi por finalizado nuestro paseo. Espero que haya sido de su completo grado. Si les gustó, les pedimos de favor que nos recomienden con familiares y amigos. La embarcación se llama Cielo, Mar y Tierra y se encuentra a su disposición en las playas de Caleta y Caletilla. Ahora que si no les gustó, les pedimos un favor aún más
I guess
grande.
we'll turn it back on when
Que
we
se
actually
queden
dock.
calladitos.
Micheladas, piñas coladas. A ver qué les Sin compromiso. Voy a quitar la virgen para que la veas. 150 una. Dime qué te quiere ver, te doy un precio especial, te doy un descuento.
Strange, so we've just rocked up by a boat and there's a restaurant on this boat here and a guy selling seashells on that side. So that's a restaurant, float up restaurant.
Cervecita para el calor, Corona o Victoria, la cerveza Corona o Victoria, amigos. Agua natural, Coca-Cola, sandía, melón, mango.
Que se les ofrezca, niñitos, de este lado, pidan su lugar, confianza. Tostaditas de camarón, ceviche, pulpo,
Vamos
caracol.
a ver. Un coctelito de
Don't need
mango,
anything.
piña, naranja, sandía.
Just want to go to the beach now. We're coming into dock. Nothing special here, so that is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe. Video every single day. I'll see you later.